Hey signers! If you have followed any of our videos before, you know that ASL is not signs in English order. It has its own rules. This grammar lesson is actually straight from our Accelerated program. I'll share a little bit more about that later, but for now, let's learn how to sign ASL grammar. Now, what I want you to understand is that ASL is not English. So whenever I'm going to teach you these sentences, I am putting them in ASL order. You're going to learn how to do this throughout this course. So when you're doing topic comment structure, you need to look at the English sentence and ask, what is the topic of this sentence? And then what am I commenting on or asking about? You'll notice that our WH sentences and yes/no sentences go off of a topic comment structure. So let's take an example and look at what we mean by topic comment structure. The sentence, I live in Texas. What is the topic of that sentence? Well, the topic is to live. And the comment is, where do I live? In Texas. So you'd structure the sentence in me, who we are talking about, live, Texas, me. Now, not only am I signing that structure, I'm also doing something with my non-manual signals as well. Me, live, Texas, me. Notice I'm going to pause and then affirm that that is where I live. Now, if I'm negating something, then I'd negate it at the end. Okay, let's look at the sentence, my favorite vacation was Hawaii. So what is the topic of that sentence? The main topic is the vacation, and I am commenting that my favorite vacation was Hawaii. So we would sign it, vacation favorite, Hawaii. Notice there was a pause, and then whenever I signed Hawaii, I affirmed it because I was saying that vacation that was my favorite is Hawaii. Let's move on to once I'm finished with work, I'm going to school. So this is a two-part. What's happening here? What is the main topic? Well, first the main topic is work. And then I finish it. Then what do I do? School, I am going to. So this is what it would look like. Me, work, finish, school, go, me. Notice there was a pause between the word finish and school. One thought happened, and then I responded and I commented what was happening after I finished at work. Okay, let's take a few sentences of WH, yes, no, and topic comment and break them down. How would we sign, are you hungry? You, hungry, you? Notice it required a yes, no response, so our eyebrows went up and we leaned forward. Also, that closing signal at the end, pointing back. Are you hungry? What about the sentence, where did you grow up? What is the topic, and then what are you asking about? You grow up, where you? Then how would you respond? Grow up, and then the place, Texas, me. Or you could sign grow up, Texas, what about you? And those eyebrows go down because I'm asking, where did you grow up? Okay, now take the quiz to check your understanding. If you found this video valuable, let us know down in the comments. This lesson was straight from our ASL 101 course, which is only available to our Learn How to Sign Accelerated members. Accelerated is a paid membership that will guide you with structured lessons in vocabulary and grammar and challenge you with activities and quizzes, all supported by a community of other signers just like you. For more information on Accelerated and info on a special offer because you made it to the end of this video, click the link in the description. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.